2022 Toyota Supra A91CF is decked out in carbon fib. The 2022 Supra lineup includes the A91CF Special Edition, limited to 600 units. The A91CF features exposed carbon fiber weave on the front splitter, side rockers, ducktail rear spoiler, and the aerodynamic canards. It will 19-inch. All 2022 Supras will come with a one-year membership to the National Auto Sport Association. 1. The Supra family will grow by one for the 2022 model year. Toyota has announced the A91CF edition of the Supra, a limited-run model with plenty of exposed carbon fiber trim, model-specific 19-inch matte black wheels, and a red Brembo brake package. There will only be 600 A91CF Supras, and they'll only be available in North America. The A91CF will share most of its characteristics with the non-special edition six-cylinder Supra, which enters the 2022 model year essentially unchanged after receiving some powertrain tweaks for the 2021 model year that increased power to 382 horsepower. The Supra's 3.0 premium trim has a newly available red interior this year, plus standard heated seats. The new special edition will be available in a choice of three exterior colors: Absolute Zero, White, Nitro Yellow, and Phantom Matte Gray. The A91CF will come with a two-tone leather and Alcantara interior in red and black. It will also have 19-inch matte black wheels and red Brembo brake calipers peeking through the spokes. The CF in the name alludes to the woven carbon fiber that's visible on the front splitter, side rockers, side and rear canards, and duckbill rear spoiler. In addition to the 382 HP 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, the A91CF will have the same 8-speed automatic transmission, sourced from ZF, as other Supras, plus the available adaptive suspension and unlimited slip differential. Both the suspension and the rear differential benefited from programming updates last year. Toyota hasn't announced the price of its special new Supra yet, but we expect it'll come in at around $58,000. To help soften the blow, Toyota will give everyone who buys a 2022 Supra a complimentary one-year membership to the National Auto Sport Association, which entitles the holder to a one-day performance driving event with guidance from expert instructors. Look for the new Supra, and all its perks, to hit dealerships this fall.